Okay, replacing spark plugs on this 28 Honda Accord V6. So it's got 3 spark plugs in the front and 3 in the back, so there's 2 banks. The front is pretty straightforward. You just quarter turn this. This comes off. There's a clip down here. Just undo that. But for now, actually mine is zip tied on, so I got to cut that. Just want to show you the coils. So this is zip tied on. I'll just get rid of that. Coils are 1, 2, third is over there. This I have to figure out what head size that is. I don't know what it is yet. So 1, 2, 3 coils come out, replace the plugs. But I noticed this, and I can't be sure if it's the valve cover gasket or if it's this, maybe it's the camshaft timing right here. So what I'm going to do is clean this all off, then see if it's dripping from here or if it's coming up. But it's definitely focused right here. I believe it's probably the seal around here. So I take this off and then replace the seal and put that back on. But I'm going to clean this up first as I do this job. So 1, 2, 3, and in the back. One, 2, 3, same process, just harder to get to. To get in the hole, you have to use a combination of extenders. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got it all cleaned up. I really think the leak is coming from here. This is all clean. This is actually the valve cover gasket. There's a tab right there, so the gasket goes in between here. If this doesn't work, I'll put this in the list to do later. I'll have to replace, take out that bolt, that bolt, that bolt, over there, lift that off. So right now, though, I'm going to stick with just spark plugs. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So first thing, undo these clips, squeeze. It's a clip, a click, wiggle them off. At first I cleaned off the best I could around this so nothing's going to fall in there. Didn't want to clean here because it's going to start running down. I don't want it to get in the coil area. So blow it off, wipe it off. So now this turns out that's a 6. Pretty easy. So if I was doing the valve cover, I'm going to take this off anyway next and do other steps, but I'm not doing that at this point. I may have to do that later, but right now just spark plugs. This should just easily come out. To inspect the coil. It's okay. Hole is clean. I keep these in order. 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, should be a 5/8 socket. Okay, you do need 5/8. You do need an extender. This will probably also be the process in the back. So I've got 2 on, but you can just use 1 if you need. So the other thing, I've got that gripper in here. What happened in another car is that little rubber gripper in here stuck on the spark plug in there, and I had to stick a screwdriver in there and just kind of rip it out because I could not get it out. I needed a pick, didn't have a pick, so I got it out. But you don't want to jam this all the way totally hard on there because it's going to stick. So I usually get it on enough you're going to get a good grip of the spark plug without, of course, you don't want to crack the spark plug. Okay. It's in there tight. Double checking. Don't want to break anything off. There's the impact. Thing is really in tight. Just being extra careful. rest. Okay, new spark plugs. Should check the gap to be sure. And I'm not running this prop again, so I'm going to put a little anti-seize in there. That's it. Okay, then do these two exact same way. Bolts. Plug it back in. Put it back in. Done. Then we'll flip and do the other side. Okay, all done. Everything's back in. Looks good. Go to the back. Take this hose out, and we'll get these bolts. Put that other way. Okay. Clipped back in. There's nothing here. There. We'll check that out later.